We are now on Day 2 of our Collaborative Project Management Workshop. If you have not viewed Day 1, you can click on the Collaborative Project Management Workshop Day 1 link. After a short review of what we covered in Day 1, we continue with project scope and move on to discuss how to organize or break down project work and determine accountability. Application of knowledge is a critical part of our workshop, so participants practice by creating a collaborative work breakdown structure using their case study. We then move on to risk assessment. Risk assessment is one of the most important tools our participants learn in our workshop and the tool most participants apply first when they return to the workplace. We walk the class through the process of facilitating a risk assessment session with a group. Then, small groups get an opportunity to do a risk assessment on their case study. We debrief and discuss how best to guide teams in doing a collaborative risk assessment. We then cover communications planning, which is critical since projects introduce change into an organization. Project leaders need to plan how to best communicate to those impacted by the project. The next topic is scheduling. We first discuss the elements of a schedule and then walk through the steps of creating a schedule collaboratively with a team. The scheduling exercise is complex, therefore we break it up into 2 parts. By the end of the exercise, participants have successfully created a deliverable schedule complete with interdependencies mapped out and delivery dates identified. This is yet another extremely valuable tool that participants come away with. We followed the scheduling exercise with a discussion of important related topics, including critical path analysis and contingency planning. Then we cover 2 more resource topics, cost estimate and a staff effort estimate. Participants will now have a simple and easy way to get teams thinking about money and effort during the planning stage of a project, and it is not tied to any one particular system. In their small groups, participants once again add solutions to the list of top 10 problems identified on the morning of Day 1. Participants see that they can solve their challenges using the collaborative tools and skills they learned. We briefly discuss assembling the project plan to bring together the valuable information they have produced during the formal planning process. And then we transition to a brief discussion on the executing and closing phases, including a look at tools for these phases that are provided in their binders. In our final debrief, we have the participants identify 3 concepts that they feel will be most useful to them and share with the group how they will apply them in the workplace. At the end of the day, we ask participants to provide feedback. Finally, everyone can get back to work so they can apply their new collaborative project management skills in the real world. This collaborative project management training program, facilitated by the Matrix Management Institute, is the best training program of its kind on the market. If you're looking for a standardized project management method to use in your organization, this highly interactive and practical program is for you. There are 2 options for bringing this class to your organization. We can come teach it for you, or you can participate in a Train the Trainer session and learn how to teach it yourself. For more information on our Collaborative Project Management Workshop and Training Program, visit our website or contact Kathy Cassidy at 512-537-0776.